There's something special about a freshly baked bagel in the morning. Golden and covered with toasted sesame seeds on the outside, but soft, chewy, and warm inside. And today, we're making them completely from scratch. The best part? You only need a few simple ingredients. Let's start with the dough. Add the yeast to warm milk and give it a quick mix. Then add the sugar and mix everything thoroughly. Let's cover it and let it sit for 10-15 minutes to allow the yeast to activate. Now, pour the flour into a large bowl. Then, pour the yeast and milk mixture over the flour and add 1 egg. We also add 1 teaspoon of salt and 50 grams of melted butter. Now comes the part that makes a big difference: kneading. We want to develop enough gluten to give the bagels their characteristic chew. We're looking for dough that feels soft and slightly firm, not sticky and not dry. Mix the dough in a bowl, then lightly dust it with flour and transfer it to the work surface. The dough doesn't need to be kneaded for long. I kneaded it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of kneading, you will have a soft dough that doesn't stick to your hands at all. Once the dough is smooth, place it in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let the dough rise for 1 hour until it becomes noticeably puffy. While the dough is rising, I'll lightly toast the sesame seeds over low heat, stirring constantly until they turn golden. We will also need a sweet syrup for dipping the bagel. I dissolve 2 tablespoons of molasses in half a cup of water. If you don't have molasses, you can use honey. Look at how much the dough has changed. It's soft, airy, and ready to shape. Divide the dough into equal portions. I like to make sure each piece is roughly the same size so everything bakes evenly. Then I shape each piece into a small rope. I end up with 10 of them, cover them with plastic wrap, and let them rest for 5-10 minutes. After that, you need to roll the dough rope out longer to about 30 inches and shape it into a bagel. This is how I do it, but feel free to come up with your own method. The main thing is that you like it. It will be delicious either way. Dip the shaped bagel into water mixed with molasses, then generously coat it with sesame seeds. I love using plenty of sesame because it gives the bagels so much flavor and that beautiful golden crust. But you can also switch it up with poppy seeds, everything seasoning, or even leave them plain. Place the bagels on a baking sheet, cover them, and give them some time to rise for about 30 minutes, then put it in the oven. And now we wait for the transformation. Look at that color! That golden crust and all those toasted sesame seeds are exactly what we're looking for. crispy on the outside, and look at the inside. Soft, chewy, and still warm. Honestly, this is the kind of breakfast that makes you want to skip the store-bought bagels forever. Serve them warm with butter, cream cheese, your favorite spread, or simply enjoy them just as they are. If you love homemade bread, give these bagels a try. They're simple ingredients, but the result is something really special. Thank you for spending some time in my kitchen, and I'll see you in the next recipe.